Here is the mythical creature called the badger.
Mythical creature?
Look at its hair and eyes, all badger-like, with badger signs in it. What's that behind her? Oh my god. It's Bigfoot.
It's lost the Kikiosaurus Rex.
That is Chinese man's blood in her cup. And what's this? Oh my god, it's a wolf. Oh no, the wolf is going for some to eat. Going for some snap. Hot and tasty. Oh my god, it has just disappeared on its own. Somehow I think it will open on its own as well. Did you see? It's going for food. It's going for food. It has a chip. It is really hungry. It cannot clap the chip. It is not used to eating chips. It normally only eats humans. Oh my god. That's too big for him. I have got to eat that later. Put it back. Oh my god. The wolf's favourite food. A swan.
What the fuck?
Now he's going to spark a fag up, should I say. He's sparking his fag up right now.
You did that.
Woof woof puff puff. Shit, I've dropped my fag. But I don't need it. I've had twos. It's going hiding. That looks manging. Look.
Gravy.
It's poo. You might think it's disgusting, but everybody finds poo funny. This is the meal of someone who has eaten some of it. This is the meal of someone who has eaten all of it. And Arrow, the fat greedy bastard. Oh, do you see the ghost?
Where?
Oh my god, it's sat in the chair now. Oh my god, I can see a cyclops. There is a cyclops. Can you see the cyclops? Oh my god, the cyclops. Oh my god, we best run, quick, go, quick. Oh, I'm gonna die. Ah! I'm dead.